Why they got so much daggone oil to fry some eggs? I never seen this mess in my life. What the heck? It's frying so dry too. I don't like that. That's crazy. Okay, breadcrumbs, onions. I don't know what that is. Butter mixed with something. I don't know. I never seen nothing like this in my life. What is this? I never seen nobody put breadcrumbs on eggs. You could have just scrambled them eggs and add all that other stuff, or just boil the eggs and then add all that extra stuff, mix it around. You good to go. Chop up the eggs, add that stuff on there, mix it up. You good to go. Something like an egg salad. I don't know what this is, but it looks nasty.